so here's a problem. I'm down underneath the cabinet here, underneath the sink, and I got a leak. And you can see the water right there. So, gotta find out where this leak's coming from. But the first thing I'm gonna do is soak up the water. Okay, so now that I got it all dry in here now, I'm going to investigate where it's leaking from. And in order to do that, I'm going to have to turn on the water and let it go down the drain. Okay, now the water is going down the drain. Well, kind of feel, okay, I can feel it right here. There's a leak right here, but is it actually leaking out of here? Oh, no. You see that? I don't know if you can see that right there. It's coming down from up here, in here. This is the control for the stopper to go up and down. And you can see right there. Oh, see the leak? Oh my. Okay, that's where it's coming from. So I'm just going to either have to tighten this or buy a whole new stopper assembly. Okay, we found the leak. Let's fix it. Okay, so what I think I'm going to do actually is remove this and clean some of the corroded area out. And then these threads here, pretty corroded too. I might get a steel wool brush and kind of get some of that crap off. And then possibly get some off this little ball here too. And then put it back together. Okay, so I'm just going to take this clip off the end here. Okay, so I got this bushing. Alright, so there you go, that's off. And here we go, what's left. Alright, so there's the, I don't know, let's call that a cap. There's the ball. There's the piece where the stopper connects to. And then this goes in the end of this thing here. So they're all pretty ugly and corroded, but I'm gonna try to put them together, clean them off, put it back together, and put it in. Okay, so I got me a steel wool pad to help me clean off the threaded pipe, and I also got me a grout brush. It's the smallest thing I could find to help clean out the threads of this cap here. I got me a cup of water just to put the steel wool pad in. And I don't know if you're going to see this very well. There's the threads right there. And I'm just going to kind of clean it. And I'll also use my brush. It's not that easy working under here, especially holding a camera. I hope when I put this video together, it's watchable. Hey, now look how clean that is. So we got all these threads nice and clean now. And so what I'm going to do is do the same thing I'm going to clean this thing out the same way with the steel wool pad. And also I'm going to clean out this also. So that's the next step. Okay, excuse the bathroom fan noise in the back. So I clean this out. You can still see some, rust stains in there, but they're basically stains. I got all the corrosion out. I'm a little concerned about this one because it's a little fragile up here. It's worn down a lot. So let's just hope for the best when I put this on. And I also clean this. It's very clean now. Down here it's all, some of the coating has come off, but that's not a performance issue. Look at the top right there. See this? That right there, over time, that was all worn down by water. Interesting, huh? Anyway, but that's clean now. And then, of course, this piece that holds it in place is all clean. So I'm going to go get some plumber's tape and put this thing back together. Okay, so I'm going to put on this plumber's tape, and it's got to go clockwise. So I'm in an odd position now, but I'm pretty sure that's going to be clockwise. And it's very difficult to work under here. Make sure it kind of goes into those threads. Okay. Alright, so that sounds pretty good. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is take this bar here with the little ball at the end, and then I'm going to take this cap, put it over the end of this bar. It's going to be like that. And then I'm going to take this little angled piece here, put it just the end right there. I'm not going to put both ends on yet because this bar has to go into the one of the holes here. I'll put it in the bottom hole right there, and then I'll clip this one in back of it. All right, so let's put the the ball in here, and now this is called a retaining nut. I found out. Now this is the problem. We gotta make sure this is in its proper place before I thread it. I don't want it too tight because you want it to go up and down. So let's see if this will work. Okay, I'm going to turn on the water. And see if there's any leaks. There's no leaks coming from here. I don't see any water dripping on the floor anywhere. All right, I think we did it. It's a success. Thank you for watching.